I finally have this 2nd-gen Charleston fixed. It worked fine, except it had the switch housing rattle when it was running on anything higher than low speed. So I took this switch housing off and pulled out the little nylon bushing that's between the inner and outer shafts, and I cleaned it up with some degreaser and lubed it back up, put it in, and everything works now. The bearings make a little bit of noise, but nothing bad. They haven't started making the rattly, buzzy sound yet, so I'm not going to worry about them right now. But I'll go ahead and show this thing running. We'll start on low. Has a really nice low speed. That's about it right there. Just an aesthetic low. We'll go medium. And high. This thing goes fast and moves a bunch of air. I would go so far as to say it's on par with a Hunter original. Tiny bit of bearing noise, but you really can't hear it over the sound of the air. It's a great fan. I am pleased with it. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope I get this installed somewhere soon. If not, I may be getting rid of it. We will see. With that, thank you for watching.